everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full in-depth review of the all-new 2025 Chevrolet 210 pickup truck in this sleek gray finish. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan or just in the market for a reliable, performance-driven truck, this one demands attention. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore what makes the 2025 Chevrolet 210 such a serious contender in the truck segment. Starting off with the exterior, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 makes a bold impression right out of the gate. The gray paint job gives it a modern industrial vibe that's both clean and aggressive. Up front, you've got a redesigned grille that's wider, flatter, and much more assertive than previous models. The signature Chevy bow tie is now set against a blacked-out mesh backdrop, and the LED headlamps? They're sharper and more sculpted than ever. Moving along the sides, the body lines are clean yet muscular, with subtle flares over the wheel arches that hint at off-road capability. The 20-inch alloy wheels on this trim are a perfect match for the truck's tough stance. In the rear, the tailgate features Chevrolet's Multi-Flex system, which adds a ton of versatility, great for loading, working, or even tailgating. Now step inside, and the 210 feels more refined than any previous Chevy truck. The gray theme continues with brushed aluminum accents and soft touch materials across the dash and doors. The centerpiece is a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system running the latest Google-based UI. It's quick, responsive, and packed with functionality, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and customizable, and the center console layout is intuitive, giving the driver easy access to controls without feeling cluttered. The seats? Extremely comfortable with heating and cooling functions, even for the rear passengers if you're in a higher trim. Plus, there's no shortage of storage space, deep bins, under-seat compartments, and a generous center armrest that's big enough to hold a laptop. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 offers a few powertrain options, but today we're reviewing the 5.3-liter V8 variant. This engine produces around 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, giving you solid acceleration and towing capacity, up to 11,000 pounds depending on the configuration. The ride quality is impressive for a full-size pickup. Chevrolet has tuned the suspension to smooth out rough roads without sacrificing payload ability. Whether you're cruising the highway or taking it off the beaten path, the 210 handles with confidence. Steering is precise for its size, and braking feels responsive, even under heavy loads. There's also a more fuel-efficient 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder and a 6.2-liter V8 for those who need even more grunt. No matter the engine, the 10-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth shifts and keeps the truck in the right power band. As for pricing, the base model starts around $39,000, which gets you solid features and Chevy's signature reliability. Mid-tier trims with added tech and comfort features land in the $48,000 to $55,000 range. The fully loaded High Country or ZR2 variants can climb past $65,000, especially with premium packages and off-road enhancements. When you stack it up against the competition, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 offers a great balance of value, capability, and modern design. So there you have it, an in-depth look at the 2025 Chevrolet 210 pickup truck in this eye-catching gray. It's powerful, comfortable, tech-forward, and built to handle just about anything you throw at it. If you're in the market for a new truck, the 210 definitely deserves a spot on your test drive list. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take this over a Ford F-150 or a Ram 1500? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more auto reviews and truck talk every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.